This tutorial review will show you how to share Wi-Fi password from iPhone to Android. First of all, on your iPhone, open the Shortcuts app. If you don't have Shortcuts, then go to your App Store. You can download Shortcuts from App Store. So open the Shortcuts app and then tap on Gallery at the bottom right. Tap on the search box at the top. Type your make and here you will get this create a QR code option. So you have to tap on make QR code. Tap on add shortcut. And then go to my shortcuts at the bottom left corner. Tap on my QR code. And select set up a wireless network. And here you will get your connected Wi-Fi name. So tap on done and enter here the Wi-Fi password. Tap on done and here you will get your Wi-Fi shareable QR code. Tap on share at the bottom left. Tap on save image and the QR code will be saved to your Photos app. And then from any Android device, you can scan this QR code to connect with the Wi-Fi without password. So this is how we can share Wi-Fi password from iPhone to Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.